Hi friends, here in this video I'll give the velocity ratio formula for a single purchase crab. So let's get started. This single purchase crab is also called a single purchase winch crab. Now the diagram which is there in front of us, in this we have an effort wheel which is mounted on a shaft. This is the axis of the shaft. On this same shaft, a pinion is mounted having number of teeth as T2. This pinion is in mesh with a gear which is called as the spur gear, also called as the main gear. And this main gear is having number of teeth T1. Now the axis of the main gear and the load drum are same, as we can see here. So when this main gear rotates, even the load drum rotates. This load drum is carrying a load W which would be wounding over it, and the mechanism is in such a way that when we pull this rope downward, that is the effort wheel downward, effort wheel would start to rotate, and once it rotates the pinion would start rotating, and the spur gear, since they are external gears, they would be rotating in opposite direction. For example, if pinion is rotating clockwise, the spur would be rotating in an anti-clockwise manner, and when it rotates in an anti-clockwise manner, the load drum would be rotating anti-clockwise, and the rope which is connected to the load drum would lift the load. So in this way the load gets lifted, and if we want to lower the load, we have to rotate the effort wheel in an opposite direction. And the velocity ratio formula is given by capital D upon small d multiplied by T1 upon T2. Where capital D is the diameter of the effort wheel, small d is the diameter of load drum, T1 is the number of teeth on the spur gear which is greater compared to T2. T2 is the number of teeth on the pinion, or we can say it is a smaller pulley or the smaller wheel which is called as the pinion. Next, another velocity ratio formula. Instead of the effort wheel, if we have a handle which is attached, that is having length capital L, this handle is also called as a crank. So instead of pulling the rope here, now in this case when the handle is attached, we are going to grip this handle and rotate the handle, and similarly the torque would be transmitted and we are going to get the load lifted. So the velocity ratio formula when length of handle is used is given by so previously when the effort wheel was there, in the numerator we had the diameter of effort wheel. Now since handle is used, so we have 2L, that is the distance which is covered by this crank, and T1 T2 are same, the number of teeth on the spur wheel and the number of teeth on the pinion wheel respectively. So by applying a relatively small value of effort, huge amount of load can be lifted by using single purchase crab. So it is an example of a simple machine. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.